Alright, so we got the organic clutch and lightweight flywheel for the 10th gen Civic Si. The only reason I'm making this video is because I was lucky enough to get one of these early, and there's currently no videos on it. So I just thought I'd show the unboxing and what you get with it, as well as maybe down the road posting some reviews once it's installed. So this one is the 363 foot-pound organic clutch disc. The reason I chose this one is because I don't want any chatter. It's more of a daily driver. They do offer another one that has 464 foot-pounds, and that's a 6-puck clutch, which uses the same lightweight flywheel, which is 17.5 pounds. Now, I didn't get that one because it does have, I would imagine it has a little bit of chatter, and I don't really want that. And 363 foot-pounds is more than enough for what I'm doing with the Civic. The only other competitors besides ACT is Clutch Masters, which I've heard recently there's low life expectancy out of them. There's some issues, as well as there's Spec, which has a lockout issue at higher RPMs that I've read about. Obviously I don't have any experience with this stuff, but I do research and see what other problems people are having. The only other good clutch option is the Type R Retro clutch, and that's a great option if you can get your hands on one, but if not, I've had good experience with advanced clutch technologies with the Subaru I had, so I went ahead and picked up a clutch by them, and I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. Awesome, looks like we got a little bit of extra stuff here. Shout out to Eric at ACT. I'm not even really sure what to do with all this stuff. All right, so after we got through all of those foam things and got them out of the box, there's the bright yellow ACT clutch box. I'm gonna go ahead and get that open. All right, and there it is, the box itself. This is very nice packaging. The model of this is HC10-HDSS. Looks like it comes with installation instructions. And there it is. The HC10-HDSS. There's a little sticker, it says pressure plate and flywheel surfaces are oiled to prevent rust. You must clean the flywheel and pressure plate surfaces with solvent or detergent. Clutch slippage or chatter can be caused by a dirty or oily surface. So you gotta make sure you clean the surface. There is the clutch disc from ACT. Sprung. Definitely excited to get this in the car so we can stop that clutch slippage that the OEM one has. And under here should be the flywheel. There we go, the single mass lightweight flywheel, still in packaging. There's the bolts for it. And then it also has that same sticker that says you must clean the surface because the surfaces might be oily, but that's pretty much standard on any clutch install. Can't wait to get this installed. I plan on getting this installed next week sometime. So if you want me to make another video and after the installation to see how it performs during the break-in period, I can do like a 500-mile update, as well as maybe like a 1,000-mile update after the break-in procedure. I think it's usually like 500 miles or something. I could definitely do that. I can. So again, we have the flywheel, we have the clutch disc, and we have the pressure plate, as well as the alignment tool and the installation instructions. One thing that I would like to mention before I end the video is watch out for this clutch to hopefully be released sometime this week. That's what I was told. As well as this clutch, specifically the organic one, should be around a little above maybe $1,000 is what I'm thinking and I was told. And for the 6-puck, look for that to be a little higher in price than the organic one. But other than that, I will go ahead and wrap this video up. Thanks for watching.